Sibingelele bafowethu Mbombela Fanatics, uSim onibingelelayo eMbombela Fanatics, as always, or as we promised ukuthi we gonna come kule ngosi bafowethu, and we have some chats nabalandeli bebhola bala eNingizimu Afrika about football and iBetway Premiership at large. Njengoba ke namhlanje ke imidlalo ibikade idlala, kunomdlalo ke oqhubekayo njengamanje, umdlalo phakathi kwe-TS Galaxy kanjalo ke ne Golden Arrows. Lo mdlalo ke we have time njengamanje kusewu 0-0. Umdlalo ke odlalile phambilini, umdlalo Orlando Pirates engifisa ukuthi sikhulume ngawo okwamanje, umdlalo obuphakathi Orlando Pirates la khona Orlando Pirates ekwaze ukunqoba ngo-3-0. Umdlalo obukade ulapha ke eThekwini, umdlalo obukade ulapha eThekwini. Lo mdlalo ke sibone Orlando Pirates ibuye ishaya amagoli amathathu ngesiwombe sesibili. Nokuthe kulowo mdlalo loyo sabona into eziningi. Angazi awuthi ngithathe nawe umzingeli ubhuti omdala. Yebo, yes, ya isa-connecta-ke laphana kumfowethu umzingeli. Bafowethu Mzingeli, asikubingelele mfowethu, sikwamukele kuMbombela Fanatics. Sewuyitho leso sikhathi mfowethu, noma ngithe ukuba late nje uyaphila mntakuthi?
Ngiyaphila mhlekazi wami, kunjani?
Siyaphila nathi. Namhlanje bekuyisonto mfowethu, izolo asikutholanga izolo. Ngiyabona ke indoda ibe matasa namakhazi abhokile ngiyacabanga.
Hey, I was busy Saturday farm izolo, besisibiza inkomo. Akwazanga ukubeleka late.
Hayi kuhle mawukuthi kodwa ke benisebenza umsebenzi. Igame yenu uyibukile nje iSundowns izolo ne-Kaizer Chiefs.
Hayi mina. I don't want to lie to you. Chiefs played well yesterday.
Yeah.
I think coach ubeligwala wenza exactly what that team is that game. Ubeligwala coach nabadlale kahle. It was Sundowns bebengayiniki space to play the football at Sundowns.
Yeah.
Up until kuna wakora then sekorile in his mind the coach wacinga udefender la goal one, and he can go, we can't do that against Sundowns. You can't do that thing. Izolo, I was impressed with Ox besimbonke Izolo is that Ox where what it team nje.
Yeah.
He was not scared of taking on ukudlala ibhola because Izolo bengayenzi la sideways and back passes zakhe usually see ezidlala. No, even kwa uNdlovu lo number 8 Chiefs it well yesterday, although he had there and there besenza but udlale kahle kakhulu. And funa ngathi ndithetha but I was not impressed into yenziwe nguNansika ngokwenika ku Matthews. That was wrong. No beans when you play Sundowns, that thing that was totally wrong. That's not football. It's something else. Umuntu xa ifuna udlala inansi afuna udlala ikarati mahamba oJimmy Carragher not isoka. Ngize kwezam. I remember I said to you ngenye imini uyasidlisa uJohannes kwathi hayi angaze angilasi. Every mistake uJohannes enzayo end up equal because being a defender must yena ufuna ubamba adlale ngaphakathi. How can you do that? Why ngapasa goalkeeper xa gqola pasa ugoal ibhola anansi ke okanye likhabe ngaphandle but sizogroupe again. There's unentwana engenile phana. Le ntwana ithini bastrata mayilula ya that boy is good. That boy nalo mfana ungenile. Who's this guy? Ulo mfana lo usuka Golden Arrows. Ayalazi mhlekazi. Undlovu. Squish bamiza squish what?
Yeah, squish.
No, ayalazi mfethu. Yes, this guy, who's this guy? Phili played well yesterday. I don't want to lie to you. Udlale kahle kakhulu. Even Miguel, I don't like that guy, but he's all played well. Massive into kahle. Be mistake nje goalkeeper wabantu. I don't know why keeper we Chiefs relaxed too much or what. Man, the goal sometimes zimkorayo ziyandi. It's not make sure. Because how can umuntu omfutshane akaxhume egcithe umuntu obamba ngezandla?
Yeah, khona it's unacceptable le nto enzeke la.
Hayi guys ayina. Ibhakane lidlala namhlanje kakhulu.
before siye kuBuccaneer ngoba angikutholanga izolo. Sale sesithi nje ukuthi Halamuzi la kuMamelodi Sundowns ngoba umdlalo obumkhulu izolo bengithi ngizokuthola akangakuthola. Mawubheka iMamelodi Sundowns indlela iqale ngayo izolo lapha eswini. Kubalulekile ke ukuthi ama players afana nabo Tebo Khomgwena abekho balimele lapha ku midfield. Njengoba ukwathi ukhalile ke naku interview yethu ya last time ukuthi usazoba nzima ukulokhunja ukureplace i sudden death eyenzeke ngolokhunja ngosikhuluma lapha ngoJayden Adams. Kuzoba nzima ukumlokhunja ngoba I change leyo bebekade bengayilindele abe Sundowns. And then so sibonile ke bebuyisa ulokhunja laphana babuyise uba nomjida lo bathubuyisa uBathus Obasi ukuthi azodlala unumber 6 bafaka uMarcelo Allende phambi kwakhe kanjalo noSiphelele Mkhulisi. Engicabanga ukuthi njengomuntu olazi ibhola mhlawumbe ubonile ukuthi i-midfield ye-Kaizer Chiefs was more combining than i-midfield yelokhunja ye-Mamelodi Sundowns. So ngifisa ukuthi siye nalapha emuva nje ukuqeda kubalula ukuthi uJohannes naye akabanga negame right ekubeni ke uke wakhuluma even na before njengoba kubeka kucaca ngathi sike sakhuluma ngalokho izolo ukuthi uJohannes bena ama option awu2 izolo to pass the ball back to goalkeeper and I wide to expect the ball back or just clear the ball because ubena space bena ama second before I-opponent ifika elokhunjeni. So ukuthini ukuphala kwakho ngale midfield? Do you see this midfield maybe combining in the future since mhlawumbe in the next coming few games because it looks like sazoba nzima ukuthi mhlawumbe uTebza asheshe abuye laphayana njengoba noGrootman engekho ke may his rest in peace. Do you see that midfield yeMamelodi Sundowns ingaba ngconywana going forward because nine game enizoyidlala ngolesithathu if I'm not mistaken?
Yeah, Wednesday.
Yeah, so how do you see that midfield and also i-defense? Ngicela nje ungicover up lapho ukuthi even the changes what will change that you can propose maybe to the coach?
Yeah. I-midfield yethu bi-months, I will put it like that. They were all dead except for only uAllende Qhandwe bezama udlala lapha. Umkhulise no-Obas I was not impressed. Nyani ungaphi Tebza kula midfield iyasibetha and nangisale death yesibetha ngonantsika ngoGrootman. No. Kula midfield uAllende Qhandwe befuna udlala ibhola, the rest they were just walking in the park because if yaqaphela unansika uObas xa yodlala ibhola yokhaba umuntu wanifumana ilo card. Nomkhulisi was there egamini okanye let me put it like this, maybe I don't know lamajita masoyi-2 agqiba dala udlala i-carpet football like i-football each and every week. uObas almost 1 year engadlali engaphandle. Umkhulise ungenile kwi-Test Galaxy wayenza ke la yenzile bilaki. So I'll put like that, it was lucky. But bona abasiniki next. Even kwa defense yethu ayisiniki into. iWest xa when it comes to this guy uJohannes. uJohannes i-defender but ucinga uyi-midfielder. Maybe andiva because you can't do such mistakes. Yesibini lento ayenzileyo uyenzile this time yesithathu uyenzile what is team le iPolokwane City. That I mistake with i-mistake mhlawumbe uzayirectify. Wayiphinda kwinantsika le team kwi-Test Galaxy uyayiphinda kwi-third game kwi-Kaizer Chiefs, same mistake uyazenza imistake nje, a silly mistake, and each and every mistake eyenzayo kuyakorwa. And you can just blame uNansika guys, William, there's nothing he can do in this goal against Sundowns Kaizer Chiefs. There's nothing he can do that because uyayibona ibhola uyithatha unike opponent and ke laa mntu athekayo usespacing already because ii-players zakho zirelaxile. Uzafika ibhola ecaleni kwanje uzapasa i-goalkeeper zirelaxile, uyenza la mistake ingakaya school kid eramana into enzile phana mfana. And I wish if coach now angakatshintshe nesitrayi umvala no Kekana omhlawumbe things will come out. As for these boys, ucoach amanisifaka ndiyamthanda manina. Bendicinga uzaqala ngale yakwa khona le boy le yakwa Kekana. Into uzafaka yona kufika uzaqalisa yona kuno Obas. Obas nyani ke simgqibele kudala egamini. But all in all sisengxakini up until Tebza come back if uzawubuya kule season because ndibone ngoku just go through kwi-internet ndibone injari kaNantsika is till 8 to 11 month ekalo mfana ngwani unduli.
Yeah.
So hayi angazi mhlekazi thina hayi thina asinayi siyazi we've got i-creative players nintsi siyayivele nto, but now ingxaki Nantsika kulapha central sine-problem kakhulu. U-Allen Qhautla ngoxa ekho uTeps, abanye aba they don't come to the party.
Yeah, Mhlekazi, I would also single out also image fitness sesivala indaba ye-Mamelodi Sundowns nanokuthi nje ama-combination kuyenzeka uthole ukuthi abantu kade begcina ukudlala ndawonye egamini, of which ngicabanga ukuthi kuyo yonke impi usuke ubhekene nayo, if usuke uzoba nempi uyabona ukuthi amasotsha akho athembile awekho noma wamile kahle, kuye kube kuhle ukuthi go back to your trusted and old soldiers. Ngikhuluma ngabomvalo. I'll definitely believe ukuthi ucoach Cardoso fanele azame ukuthi abuyise ukuze labafana ba-introduce kahle njengabo Mkwena and the staff. But ngine problem kaMkhulisi of which he's been promising and promising. Njengamanje ushilo ucoach Cardoso the last game wathi sometimes it's a blessing in disguise phuma kwabanye abadlali because it gives abanye abadlali the opportunity, of which I definitely believe ukuthi uBlesser, this is his time or this is his chance, where akusiwona ama-suspension, these are injuries. Kube khona nokudlula emhlabeni komuntu, which means this was his time. If he fails to impress this time, I don't know what's going to happen, but I definitely believe futhi ukuthi njengoba eshilo upromisile ukuthi maybe i-management eMamelodi Sundowns will look at that centre back position, kube yilokhu nje i-central midfield kanjalo ne-side lawa right akhale ngalo coach Cardoso. Mhlekazi asivale sisho ukuthi we are wishing you the best ngoLwesithathu. We are hopeful ukuthi we'll talk about the Sundowns even more ngoLwesithathu after igame yabo neGallants. Sesivala nje Mhlekazi before ngikudedele igame yanamhlanje ye-Orlando Pirates, nabo abafana be-Orlando Pirates bekwazi ukuthi struggling as they are or they were in the first half, bakwazi babe basha 3 goals second half, of which the way ngibone ngakhona i-cheaper as much as being an ibhola first half, but they were creating chances that were at least clear-cut chances than i-Orlando Pirates, of which second half izinto ziye zashintsha. What's your take kwi-game ye-Orlando Pirates becoming local leaders at the moment?
One thing I can tell you saying about the Orlando Pirates experience count, because Pirates, yes, first half was not there in the game, they were just playing, but it be cheaper ifaniye phambili kakhulu. But xa kubuya second half, coach installed something to these boys. I'm not sure what he said to them, but whatever he said to them came up gun blazing. Because Pirates started if you can check when the second half is Pirates was more offensive than Chipa. Chipa was always defending, and the best way to defend is to attack. Pirates say exactly that thing. Attack and knock up until you have very goal. And he was Pirates played very well. Yes, Mbutuma did well, guys. Then Mbutuma cannot score, sometimes cannot score goals. But we are creator. We need such guys in the field. Yes, he's not scoring goals, yes, as a striker, but he can create goals. We want that.
Yeah, iqiniso lelo. Iqiniso.
All in all, Pirates played well, man. He really deserved that. It's cheaper. It's cheaper. Look, it's like it's like umntana ostud umntana othanda umoshayo eyazi uzawubethwa kodwa abe eqhathalaza siyaphambili. I knew Pirates were gonna beat the hell out of them. Yeah, good. There's a Eastern Cape cheaper. They can't, and I was the chance.
Yeah,
but let us be honest, guys. Cheaper is there with PSL to add numbers.
Yeah.
They are not fighting for inner city badge. They are just adding numbers because there is a team Eastern Cape, and we appreciate that. Every season we are praying shipping a single relegate. We are praying every season. In the last 5 seasons, that thing happened. Chipa was always down there, 14, 13, 14, 13, 14. That's how we feel.
Yeah. And one thing that we can also emphasize in Chipa is that they changed a lot of players. If you remember, during the start of the season, they also lost, I think, prolific striker in terms of uKwayiba, of which uhambe waya kuStellenbosch, and a lot of players were changed. Sabona keep a long sheet of players that were going away. And another thing, mismanagement in terms of squad set cheaper. I think yenza ukuthi ngabe bekuzinzo and using at some point a lot of low-knee players, then it becomes a problem for them. Akubi sustainable. Even the issue nje kaStanley Nwabalo ukuthi waphuma wangena, so it makes it cheaper, that team of which we don't want ama-team asemakhaya njengabo cheaper ukuthi bahlabalale, where we'll only think ukuthi ibhola lasemadolobheni amakhulu kuphela, ngikhuluma ngoJoe. So these teams, we want them, but I think the mismanagement of most of the things go cheaper. I definitely believe something needs to be fixed, because it's cheaper. Also, we can't say we can't write it off in everything, because financially we've never had to cheaper say Daisa to cheaper isaholela abadlali esingakazi izinto refana lezo, of which bad as they are, but there are some elements of which you can see no, this is not associated with them. But in terms of ukurana i-team yabo, especially i-squad sabo, they need to take care of i-squad sabo and make sure ukuthi changes are not that heavy in terms of mazoqala season, because leyo nto le iyayilahla i-momentum ye-team. Asivale Mhlekazi ungiphela khe lokugcina ngeChippa United, ngoba i-Orlando Pirates vele iwinile 3-0. Mhlambe yini okuyibuka kwiChippa United that maybe needs to be addressed, and maybe for them to move forward, because we need Chippa United.
I think Chippa United, what they can do, they can Chippa Mpengezi. Let me talk about Onai Club. Onai Club unansi interference kwinto ezamfuni kula club. Wenza everything just for yena bakuwe mandi kuye. What if even ufumana umuntu orun iclub yena as a chairman ahlale phaya, just like look at this Hlophi Motsepe is not interfering with the team and everything. There are coaches, there are everyone, but the managers who are running that team, daily running that team, he's there now to see, but everything is going according to a plan or something like that. But Chippa is always there. Chippa won't lose it today. If he can lose 2 games again or 2 games again, they're gonna fire a coach. I know that Chippa will fire that coach. Of which that's not football, Minier. You can't do that thing if you're not doing well. You must fire the coach. What about the player that is going apart? How can you release Ukwayiba umnike Stelis while he was one of your best strikers? Always call it. If umhlambi ke masithi imali akanayo imali yombhadala, masomhlambi imali because yombhadala masomhlambi ula team is an offer engcono waqonwa kamthengisi. What for? Uthenga bani to replace him? No one.
Yeah, man, Mhlekazi, cheaper. We need it cheaper, and we can talk a lot about it cheaper, because as I'm saying, there are good things and elements that esikhona ku cheaper. Ikuyathatha nje imidlalo yayo yayisa njengoba bedlala eThekwini namhlanje. Omunye umdlalo nje abawuthathile bawiswa eDobsonville beyo-revive noma beyosikhumbuza ukuthi kune-team okwakuthiwa iMoroka Swallows. That is great. That was great for i-team efana neChippa, nanokuthi yena ubaba uMpengisi uthathe leya mdlalo ayosikhumbuza ukuthi what was there in terms of national football ngikhuluma ngeMoroka Swallows. So we need such things from these teams, and we expect more ukuthi ba-challenge, man. Let not them be there for just to add numbers. Let them compete with the rest of the teams. But we are hopeful with maybe by Kamba Weskati they will understand such things, because we need Chippa United, and a challenging one, not just a team that is just cheaper, you know.
But Mhlekazi thina ne, we wish like that, but Chippa Mpengezi is ucinga enye into yena. Ucinga otherwise angafani nalo sicingayo. That's a big problem. Hope baza Chippa Mpengezi uzamgcina. I trust that coach. Is it true ne? I trust that guy.
Yeah, true, yeah.
That guy is good. I hope uzamgcina. Just 10 games. Maybe 1 or 2 things will come up.
And then that's a problem. No, Mhlekazi, that was Ubhutwethu Mzingeli. We're hoping to meet you on the start after a game against Sundowns, and wish you the best, Bafowethu. Come back, let's fight for this league. Let's see who will prevail and be the champion. Struggling as all teams are, but it looks like it's going to be an interesting season. That was our brother Mzingeli. Sibonge.
Thank you very much, sir.